Okay, guys. So I believe you guys can see. So this is the part two of the video, which I titled Deepseek Binary Option Strategy that make me money. So this is the part two. And if you have been following me, you see on part one, a capital is $22 17 kobo. So I said, okay, I'm only using the $2 17 kobo. So now you see it has become $24.48 kobo now. So now, but if you look at it, we are only what risking that $4 plus now. So like before, we are only risking $2 plus. So now it's $4.48. So I'm going to put the kobo on it. So now you see I took the trade here when this price was here. This blue line moving average has already crossed over, but the MACD has crossed over, and here the stochastic momentum also has crossed down. Understand? So this give me, although the MACD is about to cross over, but the stochastic here has crossed, the blue line has crossed below, and this uh moving average, the blue line has crossed below. Then I know that no matter what this one is going, you see the price was trying to go up, but I know it's a fake movement, and that is what the brokers always do. They will go against your prediction, and just to attract, to convince your good decision, to play with your emotion, but they know that they are going to sell. Are you getting that? So this is like a bias. Are you getting it now? A forced movement. Understand? So, but the market moved in our direction as we predicted, and that is what make me to increase that to $22.17 to 24.48 cents. Get it? Now here we only have a cross above here, and I want you to understand one thing here. You see, when you see a cross above here and it's below 20 here, and the line has crossed above the 20 moving average, understand, it's also a strong movement of buy. Understand? Like this one now, you can buy. I can buy now. Understand? I can buy because this has crossed below 20, below 20 here, has crossed below 20 here. Are you getting it now? So, and the line has crossed above 20. You get it? But it is not as strong as when you use other in setup here to confirm the cross above, the crossing above of this stochastic. You get it? You see now that the price is going up. Is the seller was trying to come down, but the buyers are preventing them from coming down. You see? So understand? So that is what you should know. Like this one now, this stochastic cross around over both here. There's a cross down here, but when the two line crosses below the uh the 80 line here, it is much more stronger that the sellers are coming down. So that is what make me to sell here. Are you getting it now? That's what make me to sell here. You see now we have a cross above here. The MACD has crossed above. I can easily buy now. Are you getting it now? I can buy now because the MACD has crossed above, the blue line has crossed above, the stochastic has already crossed above already. Then the uh moving average blue line is about crossing above. You see, so everything is in line, so it will go up in our direction. You get to see it's going up. You see now that it's going up. That is that. The three are in place. Understand? So even if the price come down to trick me, I will buy again. You get it? That is how to do it. That is how to do it. 16, 15, 14 seconds, 13 seconds. So remain 10 seconds now. It remain 8 seconds now. See, remain 4 seconds now. 2 seconds. One, we won. That is that. You get it? So that is that. So I can let's see, can we quickly let me enter a little bit here. Although I shouldn't have entered this, but I just wanted to want to go up against me and give me and complete that one to $1. Let's see if it will, if it can. It's not. I shouldn't have entered, but let's try our luck. I get it now because the market will want to come down against you first, but it should go up. Can you see what I'm saying? Shouldn't have entered, so I have lost that. That is greediness. That is greediness. So I'm going to buy. I will tell you the reason why I'm buying. This remain 9 seconds, 8 seconds, 7 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Okay, so we lost 92 cents. This is greediness. I get you. I shouldn't have entered there. Understand? But it's okay. Remain 40 seconds, 13 seconds. So 6 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Let's sell again. Okay. Sorry, I think that's a mistake. Okay. So I'm buying now. Let's buy. Okay, I think I'm too late at that point. I'm going to buy again. I'm buying again. No, the mistake I've made is the first one I've made here because I shouldn't have entered here. That is greediness. But I hope we recover all our money back. Now, the reason I'm selling here now is that we have two. This setup is telling us to sell, MACD is telling us to sell. Although the main chart has not telling us to sell yet, but we have two out of one telling us to sell. That's the reason why I enter sell. So I hope we get that for 3, 2, 1. Okay. Going to sell again. Going to sell again. Okay. So I will not wait long now. I'm selling. Okay, good. Okay, I'm selling again. When this price go up against me, I will sell again. The main chart now is just about to sell. Are you getting it now? So, so we are selling. So I'm trying to recover the losses. So now this is how you should know that greediness is not good. To just follow your rules. Understand? So greediness is not good. Understand? Let me take this one out. Okay, 1.48. Okay, so I've enter there. Okay, now we are now back. We are back. See, I'm going to sell again. I'm going to sell again. I'm selling because all the three setup are telling us to what to sell. Get it? Okay, that is that. So we are back in profit. We are back in profit. We are back in profit. I'll allow this candle to give me buy signal. Then I'm going to sell again. I'm going to sell. I'll tell you the reason why I'm selling that. Okay, I think we need to be patient here. Okay, let's take this profit out. Let's take this one out. Let's take it out. Once it's give us little profit. Okay, let's just take this one out. Let's take it out. Okay, okay. I'm selling. Selling again. Okay. Now we've increased our money to $5. Get it? So for you see this movement now that the buyers try to go for buying here, it ended up in green. But if you look at it, we are all in downtrend. I guess so. If you sell here, it's a good entry, but don't stay long because anything can happen. I get it now. So that is that. So let's leave this market. Everything is telling us sell, sell, sell. I guess now, but we've already entered early. But because of our greediness, we lost we lose money from this point. Are you getting it now? I should know that buy here, you understand? But I just say, okay, let me just increase that point 99 92 cents to $1. Are you getting it now? Here now you can sell. Let's see. Good. We're not going to stay long. Sometimes you may not need to stay long. Once it give you some little profit, are you getting it now? That 50 cents, that 62 cents. That is it. Understand? So little by little, you 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 just enter. Once you move in your direction, you get that little profit, just come out. Or that sometime you may wait. Are you getting enough for it to end, for the end, for the candle to end? Understand? So that is that. So imagine we enter $1 here and it gave us 62 cents just for moving downward. Are you getting it now? That is a good profit. Just like 62% of your $1. Are you getting now? It's good. So that means that if you put $100 here and it moves to the direction, that's it's going to give you $62. Are you getting it now? Yeah. Because if if we trade with what $1 and it gives us 62 cents, are you getting it now? That means that it's going to give us, that is 0.2 times 100, that is $62 just for that movement alone. Is not bad. Are you getting it now? So but it will be very very risky for you to put $100 at an entry. Understand? So it's very very risky because this binary trading is a game of risk. Understand? So we are using our indicators telling us that this is where the market is going, and nothing is 100% sure. Don't let any traders online trick you, but it can be of a probability. I say, like, what we are doing now is probability, that okay, we have 90% probability that the market will go in this direction. Hope you get it. Now look at it now. The stochastic blue line has crossed above here. Are you getting it now? I will buy. I'll tell you the reason I'm buying. Other ones here has not crossed above. Now it's moving in my direction. Let's just go up. Good. Yeah, it has increased my money from 70 cents to $1. Good. We're now in $6 profit. It will go up. Now, the reason why I'm using this stochastic alone here without waiting for the other ones, we're still going to wait for the other ones. When the other ones come into play, or one of it come into play to join this, we will enter. The reason why I enter is that you see it crosses just around 20, level 20 here, and the line crosses towards upside. Are you getting that? Above level 20? So that is what made me to understand that the market, at least for one candle, there will be higher pressure of going up. Are you getting it now? So now, can you see the reason why I said at this point don't stay long? Now here, our MACD also is about to cross above, so we will wait. We can enter, but that sometimes market can play tricks. It can come down, do as if it want to go up. So let's just enter. I'm going to enter one trade now with this setup. Enter one trade now with this setup. Then uh, we're going to call it a day. We're going to call it a day. So I hope you guys are enjoying this. So this is the part two. Are you getting it now? You see that I've almost lost all the money we are using. That's the 2.17 cents, which I increased to $4 plus. Almost lost it, but I quickly recover it. So that is how powerful this strategy is. The combination of this strategy is. Can you see the reason why I say don't enter yet? Yeah, because we have to wait for one confirmation. Now the confirmation we are waiting for is this MACD. I think this MACD now we can enter now is very touching. Yeah, it's, yeah. Can you see the MACD has touched, has crossed above? So you just have to enter early. Get it? Enter early. When you see the crossing, you see the crossing here now. The blue line has crossed above. So just enter early. Look at that. Look at that big movement. That is just it. And if you look at it, it has already given us its own profit. Our total profit is 95 cents that we are waiting for, and we've already gotten almost 89, almost 91. So you can just exit 91, waiting for 0.4 cents. So let's give brokers that one is okay. Are you getting it now? That is that. Can you see? That is that. That is that. That is how to do it. That's how to do it. That is how to do it. So let's see if we can increase this to 7. Let's go to other market. Let's see. Okay, let's sell here. Let's sell. Let's sell. Everything is telling us to sell. Okay, everything is. Oh, this is not. I think the sellers are really okay. Good. Look at it, we've increased that. So I just want to round it up to $7. So now this part two, now we've increased our money now from $24 to $27, and you can see. So that is that. So for today now, from our $22 plus, we've already profited like around um $4 to $5 for this day. You get it? So you know you can keep going on and going on and going on. Are you getting it now? But at least today now we must know our target. Your target profit. The target profit is unlimited, but the target loss for the day must not. If you are profiting, no matter what you profit for that day, you say, okay, the profit of today that I must lose, I must not lose below what, $5 or $3. Are you getting it now? That is the strategy. Understand? I come again. Let's say your target profit is X dollars for the day. Your target loss, that's what I mean by target loss, is not your capital, but is the profit for that day must be X. So for me, $3 to $5 is my target daily profit. Target, let me call it a target daily profit, profited loss. Are you getting that? I don't know if my English is right. Understand? So that means that after the profit for the day, I must not lose below $3 or $5. Are you getting it now? So that is that. So thank you very much. I believe you guys enjoy this. So this is the part two. The part three will be coming on. So this is the challenge. So as I'm trading, you can join me. So maybe one of the day we're going to do one of along the apart from this video that we are recording. So I'm going to do a live trading which you guys can join me. But it's not going to be free. Are you getting it now? So as I'm trading it, you too can follow me in trading. So this is the challenge. This is the challenge. So this is the challenge. So this is part two. So join me as I'm doing it. So thank you very much. If you have any question, just comment below. But don't forget, subscribe to this channel, share this video to other people. Thank you very much. I'm not promising you that this will be 100% perfect, but at least as you can see, is 98, 95, 98, or 99. I mean, sure. Are you getting that you are going to make what profit? This is Francis on the line. Welcome to Tip Traders. Bye.